This is the virtual tour of 900 Wescott Square, Eagan, Minnesota 55123, here on June 28, 2020 at about 7 o'clock p.m. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. Nice big kitchen. It's all set up, good woodwork, lots of kitchen cabinets. We're going to pan through the kitchen here, and then we're going to look at the entire area. Things, by the way, are bigger in person than the video, it seems, so just bear in mind. Get the entry buzzer that you buzz your friends in, although mostly anymore people use a cell phone to call a friend. Looking outside, it's a little bit of a rainy day. As a matter of fact, it's kind of crappy out there, but you can kind of see what the view is. Nice apartments across the street as well, plenty of parking. It's a non-smoking unit. It's got a little den area. If you want to use this for a bedroom, you can use it as is, or you can put the static cling film on there so you can't see through, but otherwise it makes for a nice office. We're going to pan back around for the door that you came in. Good closet that you can store stuff in, your coats and whatever else. We're going to look through this off the little balcony. If you're a smoker, by the way, you'd be smoking on this little balcony. It's nothing fancy, it's kind of small, but it is out there. It does have central air conditioning. Just looked at it today, it was looking pretty good. Got your fire extinguisher. We'll just take a look at the cleanliness of some of these appliances. Clean sink. Nice clean dishwasher. It's not all full of lime and everything else. Stove. Yeah, a little bit of stuff there, but really it's pretty good shape. Refrigerator and freezer, everything looks pretty good. Got some baking soda in there. Even under the sink here, if you lease the low budget apartments, they got crappy underneath the sinks, but this is pretty good. So first bedroom, once again, this is kind of a den area. So we'll look at it. Oak woodwork, good carpet. Nothing fancy on these closets. Sliding doors, but you got a shelf and a bar, carpet in the closet. Then we'll come back around to the master bedroom. That bedroom, by the way, is about 8 foot by 10 foot. And the closet was about 5 feet by 2 feet deep. So this is the master bedroom. Of course, wherever the person is that's paying rent, that's the master bedroom. Looking back around, same thing, the closet. Now this closet's got 6 foot doors. It's about 2 feet deep and another foot on either side, so it's about 8 foot by 2 foot closet. This room is 11 by 12. See if we can open up this this sliding, this vertical blind so we can kind of see what's out there for you. Rain, but there is a kid's playground, and this is a sliding door. You can kind of see that good place if you got a dog. There's a little walking path. So it's a nice. This is one of the only units that have access to the back of this park here. So this room, once again, was about 11 by 12. And now we'll come into the third bedroom. Third bedroom, as I recall, it's about 13 by 9 or something like that. If you need to know the actual dimensions, just let me know. I've got them written down somewhere. But same thing, the closet is another 2 feet by about 8 feet wide. Storage closet, which is here. Shelves for your towels or whatever else you put in there, laundry soap. There's a washer and dryer in the unit. If you didn't see it already, we're going to pan through it. The bathroom, you can hear the fan a little bit, but sinks are nice and clean. Double vanity. Jacuzzi tub, although I don't know how many people use the jacuzzi tub. Mostly everybody showers, right? So takes forever to fill it. So that's the bathroom. And the washer and dryer. Actually, I'm not sure if we panned out on those or not, but and there's Samsung units, front loads, full size. So they work pretty good. And once again, this is the den room, and we can look back around and see the closet and the washer and dryer. Back to the kitchen. Pan it from this side. Hopefully I'm not moving around too much. Sometimes these videos you go nice and slow and it still looks like you're on a carnival ride when you're watching them. And that, everyone, is the virtual tour of 900 Wescott Square, apartment 103, Eagan, Minnesota 55123, here on June 28th, just about 7 o'clock.